All of the T150 Tridents that we've restored up until now were the export market versions with the smaller 15-litre tank. This particular Trident, when it came to us, was fitted with the smaller tank, but we were presented with a rather battered and poorly repaired example of the larger 18-litre or 4-gallon home market tank and asked to use that in place of the smaller original tank. We were excited by this because the 1974 model T150V with the larger tank and colour scheme of gold and black with white pinstriping is one of our favourites. This particular bike was reasonably unmolested, however sitting around gathering dust for years had not done the finish any favours. An original alloy tank centre strip was not available, so we fitted one of Clive Scarf's stainless steel alternatives. Another obvious non-genuine item is the electric starter, which came from Made in Coventry Engineering. Angled inlet manifold stubs were made to allow the standard AML float bowls to fit above the starter motor cover, which is another product we sourced from Clive Scarf. The disc brake rotor is stainless steel and came from Metal Gear in Australia, and we matched that with a 13mm brake master cylinder conversion from LF Harris, which improves the braking performance considerably. And does that electric starter work? Yes, it sure does. We're very happy with the finished product.